There's the old one. Got some corrosion going on underneath that's making it leak. All right, so we got it out. Time to clean this up and then place it back in. Okay guys, we got the faucet sink on here. We got it on tight. We just got to turn our water back on. That is one thing I forgot to mention. If you don't have valves underneath your sink to turn the water off, then turn off your main line in your house to the water when you're doing this. But yeah, it's all nice. Looks nice. Now we just gotta pressurize the line and see how everything works. Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today I'm showing you the Peerless. This is a faucet for a kitchen or do-it-yourself project. This is a single-handed kitchen faucet, stainless steel finish. You guys get a real user experience. You guys see what's in the box right away, as I see. You see how stuff comes packaged. All right, so we see a manual. We see a guide for de-installation. So it shows you how to, I guess, uninstall your old one. And this is it. So this is all that it comes with right there. So that's it. Very basic, very simple. That's it, my friends. Again, very basic, very simple. So that's how it looks underneath it. Alright guys, so we got it on. It works. Our hot water is a little slow, and that's not because of this though. Our valve is old and it's half broken, so it's half closed a little bit. That's why our cold water is a lot faster. No big deal, we just had to fix our valve on there. But yeah, this actually works great. Love it. Easy direct replacement.